Hey everyone, it's me, Dusty, and there's a cat outside. Come here, cat. You want to be on camera? Dusty isn't here, so it's just me today. So today I've just got a short video for you guys because our friend got a brand new car, and we went up to Chicago to check it out.
This man. He should have had that ready from yesterday. This boy.
And he's going back inside.
And he's wearing a thick jacket. And it's hot outside. Oh my god. So you should have got him a little microphone and be like, alright, how are you feeling today?
Oh, I should have given him a clip-on microphone to just get his input the whole way.
Let him go.
Look at him go. Boy, where'd you get that money from?
I ate it.
Sheesh. God dang. All right, Marshall. All right.
Yeah, fancy boy now.
Look at little baby geese.
They're kinda, oh my gosh, he's gonna get.
Okay, Marshall, I wouldn't do that.
He's gonna get murdered by those geese. Geese don't like that.
Marshall's gonna get attacked by the geese.
They're very protective of their little kids.
Oh, you're still here? Go home. Go watch another video.